Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video I'm gonna share with you how I created this inlay technique without losing my mind. So I decided to go ahead and create 4 panels with this mini slimline Celtic twist die from Trinity stamps, and I also cut to size a larger panel than I know that I wanted, just to have some room and leave a white border. So this I cut down to be a regular size slimline card base, but you will see that this is going to end up being a mini slimline. So I cut some double-sided adhesive tape and place it on the back side, and now I'm peeling off the back side of this. It's really sticky, and then I will press this good down to my card base. And you can see here, when I cut these panels out, I try to keep them together. I hope that makes sense. So you can see I haven't like peeled out any of the pieces that you normally would like throw away. So I'm keeping those, and I'm having this like a panel on top and using my tool here just to press down the areas that I want to transfer to the panel below. And the good thing here is that I have the adhesive exposed, so when I'm pressing down through one layer, it will automatically fall into the right place and grab onto that adhesive, and I will have my pieces perfectly inlaid. So if I'm a little bit offset, you can go ahead and use your Yule picker here once more and just correct those places. But for the most part, I think this worked out really well. You can see for this one I was a little bit offset for the end part of that, but it turned out good, and you can see they are all on the same like place, so I know it's the correct one and I don't have to fibble around. All I'm doing here is just making sure that they are really tucked into the right place, and then I will move on. And here is that giant roll of double-sided tape that I'm having. If you don't have this large tape, you could cover the back with some other type of adhesive. Maybe if you have like regular tape, you can cut that down and adhere on the back side as well. It doesn't have to cover everything. You can see here I'm just taping a strip over on top of a part of that, just so it has something to grab onto. And then I will adhere this down to a slimline panel, and I will start to poke through all of this to make it an inlay technique. I hope that makes sense. By the way, I hope you cannot hear anything in the background. My family is home. It's a Saturday and everybody's home, and we're gonna go out to a park later and play with the kids. So I'm really looking forward to it. It's one of those really nice first spring days. I think it's like 10 degrees outside, so it's really nice. We have been looking forward to spring a lot here. Anyway, back to the card. So I cut previously a lot of these thank you dies from Trinity stamps. This is one that is called Simply Sentimental Thank You, and this is the coordinating die set, so it's a really large and nice stamp set that goes with this as well. And I love the font on this one, so I cut it out of these green and teal colors, and I thought that would be the perfect match for the backside, or sorry, for the sentiment for these panels that has the pink and gray and yellow colors, so it would contrast nicely. And for one of them I left with a white panel, and for one I went with a vellum shadow like piece, and I think that is also fun to mix it up. So these came together super quickly. All you had to do was to do some die cutting and some inlay, and it was really nice to do. I love doing techniques like this that comes together easily and are fun to do all the way. So if you like this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. It really helps us out, and give this technique a try. It was really fun. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!